Ensuring your home stays comfortable and energy efficient is easier than you think. Big Mountain Heating and Air is here to help homeowners get the most out of their HVAC system without breaking the bank. Joining us today is Varen Larson, who will share expert advice on how to keep your heating and cooling systems running efficiently while saving you money and ensuring your home stays cozy no matter the season. Hey, Varen, welcome.
Good morning, Desiree. Always good to be with you.
Always good to have you on, Varen, too. Okay, so year after year, we have you on the show, and you highlight, hey, the biggest reason for AC furnace breakdowns is due to dirt. But the rest of us, it's kind of like, well, I clean my air filter enough. I change it, 3 times, every 3 months. Why isn't that enough? What is it that the naked eye is missing? What are we not seeing?
Well, I would imagine you've heard me say more than once that our heating and air conditioning systems move and collect more dirt than the average vacuum cleaner does on an annual basis. Because, as you can see in the little clip here, dirt comes from all over into our house, lots of it. And then when you turn it on, it gets circulated through the duct work, it gets into the filter there, and a lot of it gets caught, but a lot of it doesn't get caught in that filter, and it gets into all kinds of different areas in the system, and it can create havoc. And one of the things that it can do is create a situation where the heater will overheat considerably, because the coils in there, when that dirt gets in that coil, doesn't allow the heat to go through it enough, and it overheats. Heat exchanger can crack, can create a carbon monoxide exposure in homes. And so there's all kinds of things.
Yeah, all things we want to avoid too. So how much does the average homeowner run their AC and furnace throughout the year, Varen?
Yeah, it's a lot more than most people think, because when the heating and air conditioning comes on, we oftentimes don't even know, because the thermostat automatically turns it on. And it's, when it's moving that dirt 3,000 hours a year, to answer your question, because your furnace is running for the air conditioner and the furnace, because it moves the air for both.
All right.
It just doesn't have the burners on when obviously it's air conditioning time. So it runs a lot, and when the areas in that system get impacted with all that collected dirt, all kinds of things start happening, like the safety aspects, energy consumption, a lot more than people understand.
Yeah, we saw with the pets, you're also breathing in additional stuff.
That's right.
So does Big Mountain offer a more aggressive way to clean the air in our homes?
Yeah, there's a lot of folks out there, as we talk about often, that are really sensitive to the air in their homes. That is an example of an electronic filter. It's got a cigarette smoke being pushed inside. You turn on the electronics, and you can see all those particles are collected.
Yeah,
in the I have a couple in my home. That's one way that you can be more aggressive with it, and it really works well for folks that have a problem with real
I mean, it's nice to see that visual of once there's all that clouded smoke, now it's gone.
Amazing.
How long does the 2-for-1 service take the technician to perform when they're coming out from Big Mountain Heating and Air, Varen?
A lot longer than most folks have experienced if they've had maybe a furnace or an air conditioner tune-up from our competitors, because we decided years ago, how can we set ourselves apart and gain customers for life and we just came up with a simple solution. Actually provide a service that's not a gimmick and call it a tune-up. We do what's called a complete rejuvenation of both the furnace and the air conditioner. It's 2 parts, and that means that we can guarantee the system, after we spend 2 to 3 hours, to answer your question, working on that system, we can give you a guarantee it's not going to break down on you for the next year. And in the unlikely event that it does, the service is going to be free. And that's a way that we've been able to gain customers for life, and do it at a price that is really more than competitive, because remember, it's 2 services.
And to our viewers who want to take advantage of those services, you offer a special offer to the first 10 viewers. Can you explain what that is?
Yeah, just be one of the first 10 callers at that number, 378-4664. It includes the service for the air conditioner and the furnace. It's only $69. That guarantee that I mentioned comes with it, where we guarantee it against breakdown for the year. We also guarantee you're going to save easily more than double the cost of the service. over the course of the year. We'll just give us a call. We'll refund your money if you don't think that that's been the case with yourself. There's no small print in that. Just give us a call. But yeah, first 10 callers at that number, $69.
There we go. Varen, making sure we're breathing in clean air. Varen,
bet.
always a pleasure having you on the show.
Likewise. Thank
All
you,
right.
Desiree.
Of course. Thank you, Varen. And to our viewers, you can maximize your HVAC efficiency and cut utility costs. Head over to bigmountainair.com for details on all of their heating and air services.